Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a high-resolution image. You want room to push color and blur. Open it in an editor that supports layers and non-destructive adjustments, then duplicate the background layer. Once done, isolate the subject with a quick selection tool and mask. This preserves edges. Make a rough depth map with soft brushes, near, mid, far. Why? Because Ghibli style relies on layered depth and painterly backgrounds, so early separation saves time when you apply color grading and blur later. You now sculpt the mood. Apply a warm color grade and reduce contrast slightly to mimic filmic softness. Work on separate adjustment layers so you can fine-tune. Make sure to mask the subject differently versus the background for consistent separation. Next, add a subtle texture layer, paper or canvas, set to low opacity to suggest brush strokes. For lighting, paint a gentle rim light and add a bloom by duplicating bright areas, blurring them, and lowering opacity. This gives that soft, dreamy Ghibli glow. You finish by harmonizing color and detail. Selectively boost greens and blues for that lush, animated palette while slightly warming skin tones. Sharpen the subject edge carefully. Use a mask so sharpening affects only focal areas. Keep the background soft with controlled blur to reinforce depth. Once everything reads cohesive, flatten a copy for export and save the layered file. Troubleshooting tip: if you see halos or odd color casts, back off the adjustment opacity and refine masks. This usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.